Good morning, Legion. Yesterday's EcoCollab call featured input from most teams at Near with a number of questions answered focused on AI, intents, and the finance team's strategy. The Near Halving proposal is ongoing amongst validators with a first look expected on Monday. In the meantime, we have two interesting AI updates to cover. Our first story today comes from a titan of finance, better known for predicting financial cycles and even civil wars. Now he's talking about AI. That's Ray Dalio. The purpose of his note is to talk about AI clones and more specifically, why he's excited about having one as a conversation partner. He outlines how AI clones are significantly different from AI agents and LLMs, what it takes to make AI clones so that they're as good or better than the people they're based on, and what Ray Dalio has built so far, why he's built it, and what he imagines the future will look like. Since most of you don't actually have time to read the whole thing, let's skip to the good part on his vision for the future, where he says, quote, "I believe that the evolution of AI will lead to people having their own personalized AIs that will be called my AIs." How original. That will take in and keep information to make sure that they are well curated to suit each person's preferences. That would make them much more reliable than the generic AIs that now exist, end quote. The real question we should be asking is, will your AI clone actually be owned by you? Or will you be sharing your life with a technology that's ultimately owned by someone else? This is why at root, Near's vision of user-owned and individually controlled AI is so important and will remain important for the medium and long-term future. Our second story of the day hasn't gotten as much news as it's deserved, but it is recent breaking AI news. DeepSeek OCR unleashed an electrifying 3 billion parameter vision language model that obliterates the boundaries between text and vision with jaw-dropping optical compression. This is in the words of Brian Rommel. This, in other words, is like compressing an entire encyclopedia into a single high-definition snapshot, which is mind-boggling efficiency and also open source for everyone else to use. This type of breakthrough has made people propose that small, super efficient models are the future, with DeepSeek OCR creating a 60 times more efficient vision language model than traditional LLMs. If the future is small models and there is a polytheistic AI revolution, as Balaji talks about, Near will be one of the largest beneficiaries with the capacity to allow independent AI developers the ability to monetize and source compute for their small and super efficient models. This is fundamentally the thesis of decentralized confidential machine learning. That's all for today. Stick around. The AI revolution only gets faster as each day goes by and we continue to march towards nirvana. We'll do this all again real soon.